Guys, kain tayo ng lunch. For today, meron kang rice. Red rice from Philippines. Yan. Tapos, meron akong curry from Inajek, guys. Yung curry natin ngayon is, ano siya? Pack na curry rice. From Inajek. Kangen Inajek, guys. Yan. So, ito ang lunch natin for today. Okon vegetable curry ang nakalagay dyan. So, i-open natin. Kain tayo ng curry rice for today. Masarap. Yan you guys. My lunch for today. Tarakimasu. Masarap. Thanks always for watching.